Sound effects make a difference. Sound effects make or break a scene, let me tell you that. Why don't you try and have a wooden skewer sword fight? Boring. Yeah, exactly. Now? When you squint, there's all sorts of noises that can be associated with that.
So, Claire, you're pregnant. Mm-hmm. You know I would never make fun of you or anything like that in your current condition. I wouldn't put you in a compromising situation or make you look stupid or anything like that. Okay. So what I need you to do is just squint for me. Excellent. Thanks. That's it. That's all I needed you for.
Okay.
All right, then.
In this scene coming up, listen for the cartilage in my shoulder to crack. It's really quite fantastic.
Ow! Did you hear that? Put your hands up. I need you, Christy Waters. Could you please get the cup away from your mouth? Just for a moment. Thank you very much. And squint. Excellent. Alexander. Oh, boy. Hey, Jughead. Could you raise your hand? And raise your hand, and I want you to go back and forth like that with your finger. Oh, wait, and squint. Okay, now do this, like push.
So there you have it. Fun with sound effects. My family hates me. I don't care. It's awesome, isn't it?